Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious.
Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
I know you belong to somebody new, but tonight you belong to me.
Bounce that booty like a basketball. If you don't shake it at all. Bounce that booty like a basketball. If you don't shake it at all.
The fact that my dog was laying down on the rug for the last hour is crazy because I could have stepped on him.
That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog. That's just my baby dog.
Hey, do you want to make a TikTok with me?
No thanks. I'm fine.
When I wake up in the morning, touch his little floofster, see his little mittens, give his nose a boopster, then his tongue comes out and lickety-lickety-lick.
Blaze, grab your puppuccino, dude.
Come on, Herc, it's not a treat. Come on, Herky. Herky? Herc. Yeah, Herc, you're almost...
Singing in the bathtub always makes it more fun. When bath time comes along, then we get to sing the scrub-a-dub song. It goes like this, you sing along too, okay?
Wanna go for a walk, Doz? On a hoverboard walk?
Let's go.
I just want to say one thing. TikTok, please verify us. We just got recognized. Full speed. Thank you for 2.6 million.
Hello? Hello! Are you a dog? Yes! I am also a dog.
All right!
Yeah!
We're dogs!
Yeah.
Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man.
Senna! Do not bring those sticks in here! Senna, take it outside now. Senna? Senna, sticks are for outside. Let go of it. Senna, let go. Senna!
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
Excuse me, miss. Excuse me. Hey, excuse me. Can you stop being so cute?
You realize that the pool's empty, right?
Oh, hi there, friend. It's me, your human. I take care of yous, 'cause you're a little baby. Let me give you your boops. Boop. That's right.
I miss it.
You sure it was him? It was definitely. It really is. Right there. Look. Wait till I get you. Right there on the motorcycle. Wait till I get you.
Boo! Why are you so sad, huh? Do you not want to go to the vet? You gotta get your last shots, buddy. Are you okay? It's okay, Bubba.
Apparently, everyone on TikTok thinks my dog's ugly because every time I post him, he only gets like 10 likes. What the heck? How do you feel about this, McNabb? You sad, buddy?
Oh, she's coming. Oh, I see her. Oh, she thinks she's slick.
Get out of here. Get.
Freddie, what the heck do you want to send to Canada? Freddie, if you don't mind, I'd like to see what you're shipping. Lily? Lily's your sister. You can't ship her away.
Go. Ja, welchen Film? Why? It just keeps going.
Hey! What are you doing? What are you? Come down. Come on, sweetheart. Oh, yeah. Oh my God.
Brody. Drop it. Brody, drop it. Drop it.
Go eat your food. No, go eat your food. Get down. Go eat your food. You heard what I said. Don't make.
Sibling anthem check.
Hi, I am the oldest, I'm the leader of the pack, and all my other siblings just be riding off my back. I'm basically the parent, I keep everyone in line. I've never had a hand-me-down, my shoes they always shine.
Hi, we are the middles and we're always overlooked. Rules were made for us to break, which leaves our siblings shook.
Hand-me-downs are all we know, nothing's ever new.
You hate us cause you ain't us, but trust us, it's the truth.
Hi, I am the youngest, I'm my family's pride and joy. My siblings were irrelevant the day that I was born. I walk into the room, all the attention goes to me. I get anything I want with just a mommy, daddy, please. My older siblings always try to put the blame on me, but really they're just jealous cause they know they ain't the queen.
Gizmo, who's here? There's someone here. Where's Dad? Where's Dad? Where'd he go? You gotta turn around. Gizmo, look over there. Turn around. Gizmo, turn around. Does he see you in the reflection? Where's Dad? You think he's in that car? I don't think so. Gizmo, turn around. Gizmo. Gizmo. Where's your dad? You don't know? Oh, buddy.
Okay, I'm gonna be back. Okay? Rennie, don't eat the cookies. Okay? Don't eat the cookies. Stay there. Don't eat the cookies.